Hi everyone, I'm going to talk about the ritual. I choose the ritual go to the church on Sundays. So here we go. The first, what is this ritual? Okay, Pope Francis says it's given meaning to whole week and not so remind us. With the rest of our occupation that we aren't slaves but are children of a Father who constantly invite us to put Him, hope in Him. Also, this ritual is something special and important for a Catholic religion. This is known as a dinner, where life is shared, foster hope. So, going to the church is to celebrate hope because you are not alone in this world. And this is considered as a school of thanksgiving and love because Jesus gave His life for us. Second, explain how this ritual helped you understand about your own culture. So, this ritual made me understand about my culture in the following way talking into accurate things learning in classes. For example, a norm, the value, and the worldview. So, going to the church on Sundays is the norm. And the values, for example, are I have given our tranquility, the peace that exists after going to the church, as well as behaving a perfect moment with a family. And so we learn what God wants to say in each gospel. Now, the worldview, for example, will be a collectively because we are talking about a Catholic group that goes to the church while keeping the commandments of the Lord. Okay, how the world works. In this case, for Catholic, going to the church means keeping the holidays, consider the commandments. In addition, it is there where a word of the Lord is read and preached through the Holy Book, in this case of the Bible. Therefore, we provide us with the teaching so that in your own life with Jesus and that's everything is correctly. Your place in the world. Okay. My place in the world from this reason is to try to be a better human being, respecting every command that the Lord says, such as the love fathers, helping others, not killing, no lying, and no stealing between others. Okay, how to act in the world? Basically, giving the best of me, having a guide that is Lord and His commanded, because being with Him everything is going well, because we are with His blessing, and if we move away, our life tends to be a chaos. And how to evaluate what happened in the world. So, as we evaluate what is happening in the world, I think that we can consider two theories. That, for example, the first coordinated management of meaning, since we are governed by certain rules, in this case, a commandments. So that our life goes to the best way with the purpose of helping others and oneself. In addition, the other theory is the constructivist, because where the individual observes and analyzes their own and others' experience in order to improve and thus avoid any conflict. It is all. So thank you for your attention. Bye.